Hello cubers, in this video I'm gonna teach you what are the basic movements of a Rubik's cube and how we gonna call them. Literally it's very easy to learn these movements, but it's very important and useful in learning algorithms. In short form, U represents the up side, F for face side, L for left side, R for right side, D for down side, B for back side. For clockwise movement, we use short form itself or U plus. For anticlockwise movement, we use U dash or U minus. So U plus, U minus, L plus, L minus, R plus, R minus, F plus, F minus, D plus, D minus, B plus, B minus. So let's see an example on this algorithm. This one is a pattern algorithm. We usually get a plus symbol. Let's try it out. So 2L, 2R, 2B, 2F, 2U, 2D. So we got a plus design or pattern. So it works.